guys, my name is Elizabeth Suj, and today I went ahead and created this cut crease using our newly launched Zodiac Aries palette. The colors in this palette are directly associated with your zodiac sign. Aries is a fire sign, so we decided to go with warmer tones so we can get you looking lit with some fire looks. Although an Aries can be stubborn, they're also passionate, strong, love a challenge, ambitious, competitive, and fearless, especially with makeup. We wanted to create a palette with wearable and diverse shades to create multiple looks. Taking Signature Rose Gold brush number 6, I'm going to dip into the lighter red shade and place that color into my crease. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my Signature Rose Gold brush number 5 and dip into the orange shade. I'm going to go ahead and put this shade right on top of the lighter red that we applied. Taking Signature Rose Gold brush number 10, I'm going to dip into the darker red shade and apply that into my crease. Taking Signature Rose Gold brush number 7, I'm going to dip into our Studio Pro Concealer in shade 100, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut my crease. Taking the same brush, I'm going to dip into the lightest shimmer shade in the palette, and we're just going to go ahead and pack that where we applied our concealer. Going back into the dark burgundy shade with my brush number 10, I'm just going to go ahead and place that color into the outer corners. Taking brush number 10 and the darker burgundy color, I'm going to go ahead and apply that shade to my lower lash line. Taking brush number 7, I'm going to go ahead and take the lighter shade that we applied onto our lid, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that same shade to the inner corners. Now I'm going to go ahead and take Signature Rose Gold brush number 5 and the same shade that we applied to our inner corners, and I'm just going to apply that as a highlight shade. I hope you guys enjoyed this cut crease using the newly launched Zodiac Aries palette. Don't forget to hashtag BH Cosmetics in your creations.